Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing alright today. Now, I will be reacting to Hilarious Doll Sounds Exactly Like an Opera Singer. Now, as always, the link will be in the box below for you guys to check out the video. And yeah, let's react to it.
You cannot keep interrupting. No. I'm having a conversation. No.
Is it Doll trying to sing opera or something? Or does the doll want to sing something?
Stop embarrassing me again.
Yeah.
Get me in trouble.
See if it's bang in.
Walter! She'll be right back. Stop!
Oh.
Stop! Walter, I'm here with you.
Oh my. How often does this happen? Does this happen every day, every 2 days, every week?
Be respectful.
I don't know. He's only tired. Oh yeah. So you've all seen everyone coming.
You'll get breakfast in a second, man. Let me just sleep a little bit more. That's very rude. I didn't ask for that kind of alarm clock. And you're not even starving.
No.
You've got a good amount of meat on your bones.
I have 2 dolls and
Let's just
no one doesn't do that.
Don't even look at me, do you?
I think it's happening again. One more time. Oh. Well, in the last clip, the dog doesn't do like wow or sound like an opera. To be honest, before I seen the video on a social media website, I never see a doll who does that. I really don't. Here is a question for you guys. If you guys go on dogs, does your dog does the same thing as this dog? I think it would be interesting to find out. Yeah. Is it funny? Yes. Is it embarrassing for the owners? I think so. I know in the first clip, the women say, "You're embarrassing me." So she did feel embarrassed. But the dog can't help it. What can you do? So I think it's time to end the video. So thank you very much for watching my reaction video as always. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment, leave your suggestions below, and I will see you all real soon. Bye everyone.